बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज असिस्टेंट की क्लास का लेक्चर नंबर 3 है। आज हम जनरल नॉलेज के पोर्शन के अंदर नॉर्थ अमेरिका को देखने जा रहे हैं। आज का पहला सवाल है, नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। नेक्स्ट है, द एरिया ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज 3955,000 स्क्वायर माइल और स्क्वायर किलोमीटर के अंदर 24,230,000 square kilometer. Next, North America population is equivalent to 4.73% of the total world population. Next, according to the UN, there are 23 countries are in North America. There are no landlocked in North America. Next, the largest country of North America by area, Canada. Next, the largest country of North America by population is USA. Next, the smallest country of North America by area and population is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Next, the largest city of North America by area and population is Mexico City. Next, the biggest land of North America is Greenland between the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic Ocean. Next, the longest river of North America is Missouri River. Next, the highest mountain in North America is Denali. ये साउथ सेंट्रल अलास्का के अंदर है। नेक्स्ट है, द बिगेस्ट लेक इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज लेक सुपीरियर. The lowest point in North America is Badwater Basin in Death Valley. Next, North America has 5 time zones and is the only continent with every type of climate. Next, North America was named after the explorer Amerigo Vespucci and is known as the New World. Next, of the 7 continents of the world, North America population density at 22.9 per square kilometer in the highest. Next, the largest freshwater lake in the world, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. Next, the world's third largest river, Mississippi, 3778 kilometer, is located in North America. Next, when compared with the other continent, America has the highest average per person. The average food intake of individual is the highest continent. Next, the world largest economy, the USA, is a part of. Next, the largest producer of maize, wheat and soybean is. Next, the world largest super exporter among the 7 continents, Cuba, also called the sugar bowl of the world, is located in. Next, world smallest owl, elf, is found on continent. Next, the moose and the elk found in North America are the first and the second tallest animal of the continent. Next, the other major animals of North America are brown bear, hummingbird, bald eagle, brown bear, buffalo, frogs. आज की 27 इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम।